Good morning, guys. Happy Friday, Easter Friday. Happy Friday, Good Friday. Ayan, tawag doon, mag-Easter na, guys. This coming days, like it's a long weekend. This weekend, Friday, public holiday, until Monday. Pero my work is cut tomorrow, Saturday. And may work naman ako ng Monday. So, ang time lang namin talaga mag-catch up. It's mag-bonding family. It's today, Friday, and Sunday.
But it's not for horses. I never see the horses on racetrack.
Good Friday today? Good Friday.
Daddy!
Yeah,
It's a good Friday today.
Daddy, do you know when sister had a visitor and she talked to me, she's always buzzy.
she's always what?
Buzzy!
Bossy?
Yeah, buzzy.
Sister
Ah,
is bossy.
Is she bossing you around, the big sister?
Yeah. Because she keeps talking.
Hi, Sister Hannah. Miss you.
Yeah, you big bossy. Stop bossing your sister around. She told you.
She's not
at your
watching my
boss.
vlog, babe. She doesn't watch.
Sister Hannah, you're bossy.
I love you.
Sister Hannah, I told you are bossy.
So, on our way sa guys, fish market. Happy Friday! First time namin dun, hopefully. Chinek ko sa online, open naman siya. So, hopefully, it's open talaga. But, yeah. Niwan ko yung camera kasi bigat, guys. Mabigat na nga tong bag na to. Mabigat pa. May mga nagdala ko ng extra damit ni Kathleen, saka water, and konting snacks. Tapos, yun lang. And, yeah. On our way, it's 9. It's 10 o'clock na, guys. We're gonna have brunch there. Hopefully, they have coffee din around. Kasi wala pa tayong kain-kain.
They drive faster.
In there, we gotta find it. Hang on, I have to park.
Everyone is going to fish market.
$10 for parking.
For how many hours? Right? Sydney Fish Market. Daddy, smile! 1, 2, 3, go! Daddy, the first one on the right, the boat shed. The boat shed. That one. Yeah. That's the one I look online. Da. Happy Easter, Dad. Oh, wow. Wow, that's a lot. I don't know where to go. First time namin dito, guys. Grabe. Daming tao. Daddy, oysters. Daddy. I don't know. So hungry now. Oh my God. I want the lobster, oyster. Please, babe. Ang daming tao. Oh my God, wow. Ang daming tao, mga bebe ko, grabe. First time namin dito. It's a nice atmosphere, oh. There, we can sit outside. Da! We can sit outside. Daming tao. Oh, yeah, I wanna have a coffee first. Mag-coffee muna kami, guys. Ayan. Let's have coffee first. And then we're gonna get the oysters, yeah. And takoyaki. I'm gonna go at the front.
No potatoes.
Sarap. Hindi ko pa natitikman masarap. Babe! Good ba? Good queuing.
Can I see what's in there? Wow.
You want the shell?
Look.
I don't want the shell.
Sarap. Guys, we came back from Mo. Sarap kasi nitong morning sa katong Cleo. What do you call this, babe? No, babe. They don't sell on the shop. I have to go to the other side. But later. And guys, kain tayo ulit.
Hey, that's one.
We had it all planned, yeah? So yes, so good. There's two more I want to try. It's the raw. What do you call the raw, babe? Raw oysters?
Right.
Yeah, what is that raw? There's no specific name?
Natural oysters.
Natural oysters. Dalawa lang naman gusto kong kainin nandun sa kabila. Kasi itong sa binilhan namin ng oyster, ay ng seafood, they don't have like 2 pieces or 3. They don't sell. They only comes with like big ones, so hindi ko naman kaya Daddy's cat not a big fan of the natural oysters, pero big fan siya ng Cleo. What do you call this one?
Monet.
Monet and what's that
Cleopatra.
one? Cleopatra. Scottish, yeah, I like the Cleopatra and Monet.
Cleopatra.
Kill. Oh, Kilpatrick. So good, guys. So craving, and it's Friday. It's perfect seafood only. You can only eat seafood on Friday for Good Friday. Yes, Kathleen? Good Friday today. And this is our view for today's brunch. Oh, yung mga seagull nilalapitan kami. Ay! Naughty, go away. Hey, you're very naughty. Hey, go down there. Very naughty. Hey, thank you.
Oh my God!
Darling. Kathleen. Okay, we'll order here. Here. Hello. What do you want, then? Hello, love. Guys, kape tayo. Campos. Nag-order ako ng soy cappuccino. Dad. I wanna try the Alright guys, bahay na tayo. And we are very happy guys. Busog na busog tayo kanina sa may fish market. Ang ganda doon, ang daming tao. Ganda ng atmosphere, yung view, yung pagkain, lahat guys. Sobrang sarap. Mahal nga lang pero okay lang yun kasi hindi naman kami palagi napupunta doon. And it's first time din namin. So naisipan namin na mag-fish market today kasi eksakto, it's a Good Friday. Pero, guys, I am going to share it with you, yung recipe ni Mommy Chin. Mommy Chin, I miss you so much. And Harry in Macau, my dear friend, Mommy Chin. I love her recipe, guys. I will show you yung recipe na she made this for me few times sa Macau, guys. And it's so yum, yum, yum. This one, yeah, this is what I'm gonna do today. Yung kanyang salmon with seaweed and with chopped chili and garlic. So, ano ko yung before and after. Nasaan na yun? Hindi ko pala. Yung favorites ko ba yun? But, yun ang ating gagawin for our dinner, guys. Nag-take away kami ng oysters. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung table. magba-barbecue kami tonight. Kind of like seafood barbecue. So, gonna do the, we bought an oysters na yung natural oysters and sashimi salmon, seaweed. And si Daddy Scott, inutusan ko siya guys na nag-favor ako sa kanya na siya na lang pupunta ng Tongli Asian Shop para bibili ng aking seaweed ba. Kasi I need seaweed. Pagkakainin mo yung sashimi style, ito, seaweed. Doesn't have to be the same, pero ito yung ipapabili natin. Okay, Daddy Scott, Kathleen has been sleeping for almost an hour and a half na. And ayoko sanang mag-ano ng noise dito. Pero, hindi naman niya siguro maririnig. But, our view guys. Ayan. Ang bahay natin. Kailangan ko pang bumili ng vase para dyan sa corner. And ito masaya na ako dyan. But I am thinking to get one more of this. Ilalagay ko dun sa kabila naman. Tapos yung printer, di ko lang alam kung saan ko ilalagay yung printer. Kasi nakaset na rin kasi yun. Nakasaksak na. But let's see. Or, bibili ako ng ito. Doon ko ilalagay sa corner naman. Tapos, yung toy, kitchen toy ni Kathleen, aalisin ko yan guys. Ilalagay ko somewhere doon sa kwarto. Para hindi makalat. But so far so good. Very happy sa ating na-achieve sa bahay by the help of my dear friend Yatu. Thank you so much to her husband Raj kasi he helped me to build the cabinet guys. He was the one na nag-build dyan kasi it was very very hard niyang i-build. So thank you so much. Really appreciated. Teka lang, patong ko muna kayo dyan. But yeah, gagawin na natin yung ano guys, yung ating salmon. Pina-slice ko na yan guys. Ang mahal-mahal nito, nakakaloka. Well, kasi sashimi nga, $29. Yan lang. And sobrang namahalan ako sa kanya guys. But thank you so much to Daddy. Kasi treat niya for this time. Na first time namin. No? First time namin sa fish market. Thank you Daddy for taking us to the fish market. Mag-ano lang tayo ng kamay. And I think it's close. Hopefully, kasi Westfield guys, hindi daw makapasok si Scott. Paano kaya yan? Hindi natin makakain to pag walang seaweed. Hoping. And also, hoping talaga, oh my God. Kasi, kailangan to guys ng seaweed. You know, this is the ingredients. And then, sesame seed. And red chilies. Garlic. And then, kikoman, water, sugar. Ano pa yun? Water, sugar. Teka, nasa na yun? Water, sugar, ginger, and spring onions. Use the stock, it's okay. And boil this in a pot. So, yun lang naman guys. Ang ano. Thank you so much, Mami Jane, for sharing your recipe. Pero pag walang seaweed, hindi yan masarap. Tapos meron tayong boiled rice. Sobrang sarap na yun guys. As in. Alright guys, let's follow Mami Jane recipe. She said 1 cup soy sauce. Alright. Meron tayong 1 cup. So, ano to? 1 cup of water. And 2 tablespoon of sugar. Kasi kailangan ko ng sugar. And then, spring onion, but I don't have spring onion. So, ang ilalagay ko na lang is use the stock. So, I'm gonna use the white onion, guys. Alright, binigyan ako ni Mommy-in-law ng sugar. Thank you, Mom. So, maglagay tayo ng 2 tablespoon. Alam ko kulang to eh. Marami na to. Binigyan tayo ni Ma'am ng mulled chicken curry and teriyaki chicken stir fry. So, luluto ko yan for iskat 1 day, mga bebe ko. And thank you so much, Ma'am. Binigyan tayo ng sugar. And, yung sesame, kailangan ko bumili ng container para dito. No? Para maayos ang ating kusina, mga belaps ko. So, ayan, I'm excited. And, kailangan pala may coriander. Kaya lang, hindi tayo nakabili ng coriander, guys. Dahil hindi tayo public holiday and close yung Asian shop. Pero, nagbigay si Ma'am ng parsley. So, pwede na ito, lagay ko lang sa gitna pa. Kasi yung ito, mga bebe ko, itong pictures from Mami Chi na sinave ko, mayroon siyang coriander sa gitna. Diba? Ayan. Actual to, guys, na photos. So, yan ang ating dinner. And then, meron tayong oysters. Meron tayong fish and prawn. So, mag-aalas 4 pa lang. Tawagan ko si Scott. Baka may mahanap siyang coriander. Just wake up. Just woke up. Oh. We had a 2 hours sleep. Yeah, 2 hours nap. Oh, my bed. Because that's only for my little. Oh no, Daddy!
Oh, that's good, yeah.
Daddy? Mommy? Okay, you want Mommy to put some cheese on top? Guys, ito kami ngayon sa King's Food. Buti na lang may Asian shop na open. So, hanap tayo na ang seaweed at saka coriander. Sana may coriander sila dito. Ay, my God. Ay, my God. Sana talaga. Kung meron silang seaweed. Oh, may mga Pinoy, din sila dito, guys. Pork cracklings. Where are they? Para siyang to. Parang Korean shop. Yeah, it's like a Korean. Ang laki nung Where is the seaweed? May mga mushroom. Where is the seaweed? Seaweed. Buti na lang open sila. Thank God. Kailangan ko hanapin ng seaweed. Nasaan? Grabe. My God, nasaan ang seaweed? Kung kailan naman na seaweed. Bakit wala akong makitang seaweed? Guys, meron sila. And then, I just need coriander. Sana may coriander. Parang wala eh. Hopefully, meron sila. Ay, my God. Normally, meron silang mga coriander pag mga ganitong shop eh. Ano yan? Ivory pea sprouts. Yeah, mukhang wala. Yeah, they don't have. Otherwise, nandito na lang. Ay, celery naman yan. Like that, guys, my coriander then. So this one, small one. Perfect. Thank God. Ano pa yung meron dito? Guys, fully packaged. Yum.
Try this sauce.
We got one for you, love prawns.
I know, but I'll see how I can
Yeah.
do.
Have more, man.
Okay.
So good, guys, with the rice. Happy Easter.